How to fix movie sound problem on Telegram application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Telegram. Now click on search and tap on Telegram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar and type Telegram. Now tap on Telegram. Now click on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. If nothing solves your issue, go back to the home screen, open up Play Store, tap on uninstall and reinstall Telegram. I hope this will fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.